How to fix Facebook login error. So if you're having issues logging into your account on Facebook and then you'd like to fix those, login error could be happening due to many reasons. First of all, you want to make sure it is not your Wi-Fi or your internet connection. Second of all, you want to make sure it's not the app itself. So you want to long press the Facebook app icon, tap on the I button on Android to come to the app info page, go to storage, clear cache, and also make sure to clear the data. Now if you're using iPhone, you can just try to offload or maybe even reinstall the application. Now once we've done that process, basically we want to reopen the Facebook application. The next thing we want to make sure is that our credentials are correct. So we do not want to enter an incorrect information, right? So most of the login errors also happen because you have not selected your login credentials correctly. So all we have to do is just go ahead and then log out of your current account, and then you can try to go ahead and then log into another account if you want to. And then there, if in case you happen to forget your password, by the way, you can also tap on this forgot password button right here if you would like to reset your password. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve some of the login errors that you might be facing on Facebook. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.